Hi guys, it's Mr. Kassin, and I miss all of you so much. But I have a great idea, which instead of just being lazy, laying on the couch all the time, I decided to start doing some awesome, cool, simple, at-home science experiments you guys can all do with just the simple things you find in your home. Today we're going to be doing the bouncing egg experiment. And what you're going to need is one egg, one raw egg, a glass, and some white vinegar. So what you're going to want to do first is take the egg and put it inside the glass. Then you take your vinegar, it smells weird, and you cover the egg. Have the egg sit inside this glass for a whole 24 hours before checking on it. So right now what's happening inside the glass is that the acid inside the vinegar is slowly dissolving the eggshell. And see those little bubbles all around the egg? That's the chemical reaction that's happening right now. So it's been 24 hours and it's finally time to check the egg that we've been waiting for. Wow, if you can see, the eggshell is almost entirely dissolved, and what was used to be a hard egg is now a nice bouncing egg. So what did we learn today? We learned that we can take a simple egg and put it in a glass and add some vinegar, and that vinegar, the acid inside it, will dissolve the shell entirely, which would, if I drop this, break, turn into a nice, awesome bouncy ball. I don't want to do that with it.
Seriously?
Thank you for tuning in and being a part of this science experiment today. And remember, don't try any of this without adult supervision at home.